If you've lost access to your Deezer account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Deezer login page. Go to the official Deezer website or open the Deezer app. Click on the login button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Deezer account. Make sure to use the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Deezer with instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once completed, you should be able to log into your account with a new password. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Deezer's customer support for further assistance.